Europe will provide 14 representatives at the 2018 FIFA World Cup. One of those 14 will be Russia, which qualifies automatically as the host nation. The other 13 teams will come from Europe's preliminary competition. All of the remaining 52 FIFA member associations within the European zone have entered the preliminary competition, which will be played over 2 rounds. Round 1 consists of 9 qualifying groups. 7 of those groups, from Group A to Group G, will contain 6 teams. Group H and I will contain just 5 teams. The teams in each group will play one another in a round-robin home and away format. The groups will be populated in the following way. The 52 teams are divided into 6 pots based on the FIFA Coca-Cola World Ranking of July 2015. The 9 top-ranked teams are placed in Pot 1, the following 9 teams in Pot 2, and so on until Pot 6, which will contain the 7 lowest-ranked teams. The draw will start with Pot 6. The first team drawn will be placed in position 6 in Group A, the second team in position 6 in Group B, and so on until Group G. The draw will continue with Pot 5, where the first team drawn will go into position 5 in Group A, the second into position 5 in Group B, and so on until Group I. The sequence will be repeated with Pots 4, 3, 2 and 1 respectively, until all pots are emptied and all groups completed. There is one consideration to bear in mind during the draw. Due to the centralization of commercial rights, UEFA have requested that England, France, Germany, Italy, the Netherlands and Spain must be drawn into a group containing 6 teams. The 9 winners of each group will qualify automatically for the FIFA World Cup. The 8 best runners-up in the groups will advance to round 2, where they will be paired for 4 home and away playoff series. The 4 winners that emerge will complete the list of 13 teams from the European zone that will join hosts Russia for the final tournament in 2018.